USA. Wow, how many? How many? So everybody don't forget follow us. And let's guess how many can we get this one? How many can we get this one? Wow, 1, 2, 3.
It's 1, it's 4.
7. Oh my God. Wow, wow, wow. Did you see how many we got? Thank you for Rose, Anna.
Thank you for Rose.
Oh, did you see, honey?
Oh my God. Oh my
goodness, we got plenty.
Yes.
Whoa. Everybody, you can count for me. You can count for me. I will take the pearls and you can count for me. Whoa. So many pearls. So many pearls. So please help me count them. Please help me count them. Wow, so many. Whoa. So you can guess how many can we get? How many can we get? 20?
Yes,
20? Oh, no, 20. 33?
It's 10.
So, yeah, let's count. Let's count together. How many? How many? 50? Only 50? 21? Only 21? Okay, one more.
Thank you.
Thank you for Rose, honey.
Thank you.
So let's get them. Okay, get them out. Oh, how many pearls can we get? Whoa, my goodness. So please help me count them. Please help me count them. Please help me count them.
Please, baby, please.
Oh, so many pearls. We got we got the pink one. We got the purple one. We got the white one. Wow, in our oyster, the oyster is so really hard. It's really hard working this one. So please count for me. Please count for me.
Oh my God.
Oh my goodness, so many. Please give me the correct number. So how many can we got? How many can we got? So everybody guess. What do you with the pearls? We will make. Oh, so many. We get so many pearls. Wow, so nice. This one. Okay, let's go. Oh, so many pearls. My goodness. So let's guess what kind of can we get here.
Wow. We guess.
Yeah, we guess how many pearls can we get here. You know, this pearl is
very big.
Whoa, this was so beautiful. You will see this one.